Hi, I'm Jane. This is Dr. Soup, the cat in the hat. This is plot in other soon story. This is Cat in the Hat. And this is a read some books, reading books video. I can watch it all by myself. It's reading. This the spy. This is Sony Wonder. This is Ram House Home Video. And the back, this is Cat in the Hat. This is Ram House Home Video and Sony Wonder on DVD Rare G. Reading books video. That could be fundamental along with the Cat in the Hat. So, I'm gonna show these things from Dr. Seuss, the Cat in the Hat. Plot another Seuss story.
The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two. And I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house.
I do recommend get 5 4-star. This is Dr. Seuss, the Cat in the Hat. Plot another story. Thank you.